Good morning. I'm CBS 4 meteorologist Lisette Gonzalez with your tropics update, and we are tracking Tropical Storm Florence, which continues to bring catastrophic flooding to North Carolina, South Carolina, and it is barely moving. This radar looks similar to 24 hours ago because basically it is almost just stalling out here and nearly stationary, and this is just a big concern for these areas along the coast as they've just been dealing with relentless rain. Those rain bands continuing to move over the same areas, producing flooding, and some record rain will be possible. We've had record wind gusts since yesterday, and although the winds have decreased a little bit, this is still such a large tropical storm and it's impacting so many. So as we look at the latest 8M advisory, it is moving just barely to the west, crawling, we should say, at 2 miles an hour, located about 45 miles southeast of Florence, South Carolina, actually. So yes, it is producing max sustained winds of 15 miles an hour. So that center is over South Carolina, but the worst of the weather is along the southern eastern portions of Florence, which again continue to funnel in that moisture in off the ocean, and we're going to continue to see Florence track across South Carolina throughout the day today into tomorrow. It's really not going anywhere, just hanging out here, and it will likely become a depression by tomorrow because it's interacting with the land, then move north, and likely taking a turn towards the northeast and becoming an area of low pressure. And we're still going to be talking about the remnants of Florence as we get into early next week, as it is going to bring heavy rain and possible flooding to the Appalachians as well as towards the mid-Atlantic, northeast New England areas. Wind gusts ranging from about 31 to 40 miles an hour, so it's still pretty gusty in spots here across parts of Virginia and the Carolinas. Storm surge still potential here for parts of the North Carolina coast and extreme northeastern South Carolina coastline there. And as we take a look at the flooding, though, that is the biggest concern. Flash flood watches and warnings continuing, and we're seeing the reason why. Already some areas have picked up more than 20 inches of rain. We could see an additional 12 to 20 inches of rain. In the meantime, Isaac dissipated as of this morning. Hurricane hunters finding that it did not have a low-level center of circulation. So the remnants of Isaac producing some showers and storms across parts of the Caribbean and Puerto Rico and likely into Hispaniola. We'll continue to watch that for you. In the meantime, we'll update you right here on CBSMiami.com.